Today we're going to be making a really simple sketchbook. I'm going to also link some YouTube videos if you're interested in doing one in a different way, a different kind of sketchbook, maybe with staples or with hole punches or making a cover for it that you want to paint. That's fine by me, but this is going to be just a really basic, easy sketchbook. To start, get some paper. If you have copy paper at home, that works. If not, you can use lined paper, whatever you've got. And you're going to need 2 pieces, and you're going to need a lot of other pieces. So to start, we're going to fold the 2 pieces in half. And then we're going to be making a cut, not at the very top, but go in about a couple inches, and you're going to make a cut just like this. If you need to draw it out, you can. I'm just going to go for it. So we're going to set that aside, and you're going to fold the other papers in half. Take a pencil. So this is the open side, this is the closed side. You're just going to mark where you started that cut. So if you want to do it like this, maybe you're just going to make a mark here, and right where you started the cut here, you're going to make a mark there. You're going to open up your book. We're going to cut to the line. And all right, now this part is a little bit tricky, so pay attention. Open up these papers, the cover. You're going to take one side and kind of fold it in as much as you can. And I'm going to pull it, you might have to kind of just scrunch it a little bit. You're going to pull it through the other side. Voila. You've got your sketchbook. Make sure that your name, your teacher, and your grade level is on here. You can decorate it however you want. Make sure that your name is across the front. When you're all done, you should have a sketchbook with many pages, your name at the bottom, your teacher's name, your grade level. Enjoy it, be creative with it, and I look forward to seeing them.